Hello everyone, do you like making Indomie? I remember when I was in college, I lived in a boarding house with a bunch of other students. We were all on a tight budget, so we ate a lot of instant noodles. But Indomie was always my favorite. It was the most delicious and it was also the cheapest. And it was so easy to make. I loved the taste of the noodles and the seasoning packet. It was so flavorful and satisfying. Of all the flavor variants, Indomie Goreng is my favorite. My friend would always make fun of me for eating Indomie so much. They would call me, hey Indomie, and make a joke about how I was addicted to it. But I didn't care. I love Indomie and still do. Eating Indomie goreng will be more delicious eaten with kerupuk, accompanied with a glass of iced tea. But now, I want to enjoy it with a glass of orange juice. So yummy. If you never tried Indomie before, I highly recommend it. It's a great way to satisfy your hunger, and it is also a lot of fun to customize. You can add your favorite vegetable, meat, or sauce to make it your own. So, next time you are looking for a quick and easy meal, reach for a pack of Indomie. You won't be disappointed.